Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Today we will learn how to add degree symbol in Google Sheets. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Google Sheets software. Now you want to degree symbol added on your sheet to any letter. Go to the insert menu and we can see here not available the option. Now you want to add degree symbol. Go the new tab and open your Google Docs app. Now I create blank document. Then I type 70 number and increase the font size. Then go to the insert menu and click this symbol option and go to the special character and go some down, find the degree symbol, select this arrow option and choose math. Then click this ring symbol and close the window. Then select the ring and go to the format option and go to the text option and make the ring is superscript. Then increase the font size of the ring. Then we can see we added the degree symbol. Now I am copy the text. Click and drag on our mouse and click right button to copy. Go back the Google Sheet and paste the text. Click right button and select the paste option. Now we can see we add degree symbol Google Sheets very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.